In this section, we're going to learn some basics about Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams usually look like this, where you have some overlapping circles, where the overlapping part represents what they have in common. The box around it usually represents the universal set. You might see a U up in the corner sometimes for the universal set. Okay, so that's what we have here. When the two circles don't overlap at all, they're called disjoint sets. That means they don't have anything in common. Okay. We're going to look at some notation, which we've already talked about in our previous lessons. So this means the complement of A okay. Sometimes you read it as A prime. Okay, so that's another way we can read it. It means everything that's in the universal set that's not in A. So if I were to shade what that means, I'd be shading everything around the outside of A. Okay, A union B. That means everything in A and B together. So everything from A and everything that's in B together. The intersection of A and B. This is what they have in common. So in the Venn diagram, that's where they overlap each other. A minus B okay, so what's in A, but subtract what's in B. So everything that's in A, but take out what's in B would look like this. And then the opposite would be what's in B and subtract what's in A. So it would look like this. Okay, so that's what that notation means. All right, on the next page, flip it over. We are looking at some examples. So we have some letters in the sets. These capital letters are for the names of the sets. They are not elements in the sets. Okay, the capital letters are the names of the sets. So it says find the following sets using the Venn diagram. So the first one is what is in A. So literally everything that's in the A circle. So usually if it's alphabetical, you put things in alphabetical order or numerical order. So if I were to list these, I'd have A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, and P. Okay, then the complement of A is everything that is outside of A. So not in the A circle. So if I look at not in the A circle, I have E, K, M, R, T, W, Y. Notice how we definitely include these, even though they're outside the B circle, they're in the universal set. Okay, what's in B? So everything in the B circle, so we would cover up these. And we try to list these out in order. B, E, H, J, K, M, P, R, T. And now the complement of B is everything that's outside of the B circle. So cover up the B circle, and it's everything on the outside. So we're going with A, C, D, F, G, N, W, and Y. A union B is going to be everything in both circle A and circle B all put together. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and we've got J, K, M, N, P, R, T. A intersects B is only where they overlap, so only in that intersection in the middle. B, H, J, P. And now this says A intersects B and we have a complement sign. So this is going to be everything that is not in the intersection. So taking this out, it's everything else. So everything from here, and everything on the outside. It's basically everything but the intersection. So I'm going to go with these, A, C, D, E, F, G, K, M, N, R, T, W, Y. And then A minus B, if you think about what we did in our drawing on the previous page, it's everything in A except those that are also in B. So just A, C, D, F, G, N. A, C, D, F, G, N. Now this says, describe a set of operations that will result in the set WY. So WY is everything on the outside of the circles. If I wanted to say everything that's inside the circles, that was A union B. So I want to say everything that is not in the union. Okay, so this is telling me everything that's on the outside. Describe a set of operations that will result in the set EKMRT. So EKMRT is this part that's in B, but it's not in A. So this would be B minus the A. Then the last one, describe a set of operations that would result in ABCD, F, G, H. What are we leaving out? Okay, so we're leaving out these. So if I just want to leave out these right here, I'm leaving out the stuff that is only in B. So how can I do that? So I can do I don't know, I'm going to have to think about that. If we want to just cross out these, we're crossing out A minus B. Or we're crossing out B minus A. So if we're crossing out, this would be B minus A. So if I'm crossing out B minus A, because these are what I'm leaving out, then I want to do the complement of that. So it's the complement of this, because these are the only letters that are not in this set.